the center of the world's grand portrait, wondering what is this joy, what truly is this joy? When did it come to me? Or when will it ever arrive? The question has been gathering dust on shelves for centuries, entangled in time and space. It has turned into a whirlwind. In one vortex of my inner self, I too am tangled in the very same way. The portrait of existence, that which lament embraced, with fearful eyes it gazes at the master of towering ego. In my hands the soft orbs of energy I was shaping. Their ashes I scattered them into the river. When I turned illusion into possibility and looked back, I saw the master of ego right at the center of the world's portrait, sitting with pillows propped, mocking every being. Foreground scene, a fresh speck of dust was restless for growth's sake. That single speck had no idea its existence depends only on twists and turns. If I step a little aside from the exact center of the world's portrait and look, what is this joy? Then joy is simply this:
the flutter of a bird's wings, or a leaf rustling on the branches, the trembling dawn approaching on the horizon.